So today we're going to take the Skyliner from Art of Animation and Pop Century all the way to Epcot. So let's see how this goes. Oh, you're looking backwards for the best part.
My classes typically run
Coming in hot.
about 25 in a class. Yeah, we're down. We speak 32.
Is it just you?
Just me. And then, so I run about 100 150.
There's what, like 600 kids in the school altogether? There's 500 now.
550.
Way down. Yeah, that's really small classes.
This is my least favorite run. It's nice though.
I love this ride.
Especially this year, like last year, my freshman classes were 30 each. It was just, ooh. You heard anything about the sophomore?
So how big are your classes?
About the same. I got about
But
like,
this year, like,
actually,
my max was 25.
I got like about 20.
You're
My
kidding me?
classes and
I have others.
my last class is about
I was like,
it's about 10.
That's okay.
I got 20,
Some of
20.
those strap for water bottles.
But this the crazy. I got a first and second block, and I had
I
like
think I felt like my
3 hour delay.
Mhm.
But I
Oh,
was
wow.
between them. And then I had my seniors. Basically, that last block is seniors.
Okay.
I have a planning block, and the only thing else is students. I don't have my own.
Okay. I'm jealous.
They don't have
They don't have a home. Yeah.
How many planning periods do you guys get? One a day.
One. Every other day we get half a one. So, yeah.
And what's the other half?
A duty.
After duty or something.
Lunch duty.
I didn't know how it works with a block schedule.
They decided we had too many minutes of planning.
Yeah, what?
Decided we had too many minutes of planning.
Oh, yeah. How long y'all had?
The elementary people.
73-minute class
For a
periods.
fit, so it's like trying
73.
to find
But we going
more
back
time
this
for
year
that.
to 7
Yeah, let's
periods.
take away
Are you?
This coming up, school year coming up.
That's tight.
Yeah. We're gonna have
At least that's what I
each
was
class
told.
gonna be 45 minutes.
That is tight.
Because the duties used to be paid, right?
Duties used to be
You
paid.
teach too?
Yep.
You got it?
Science.
Science. You
Mhm.
teach science. You just came along to help her.
She's across the hall and I'm like, want to go to Disney World?
Did y'all system pay for y'all trip or y'all had to pay for it?
We had to raise money and pay for our own. And
We actually had got a grant.
oh,
That's
nice.
Might be something to look into.
Yeah.
For a future.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, the kids had to fundraise.
Yeah.
It was nice when everything was paid and we were at school, you know.
But it was a lot of work to get this done, man.
It is.
And it was just me.
Yep.
You know.
Her sister's on the trip. So she came along as chaperone. But she's a teacher too.
What you teach?
I teach first grade.
First grade. In the same.
I know.
Y'all teach in the same county they do?
No. Just the next one over.
Oh, okay.
And she's actually one of my former students.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Yeah.
Are you going to be able to use any of that with them?
I can put music in or I can take sound out.
Okay. I'd put music on it then.
I do kind of miss the COVID days where it's just us.
Just us. Yeah. Me too.
right or left?
Great, I sent Jackie a message, so that's ridiculous. She needs to take control of that. Hey, Reggie.
Be in the video.
That's funny. They're already in this car. If you stay out there, it's easy. We got the yellow one again. We didn't get a picture on ours. She said it goes fast, so watch out. This is the best thing that Disney ever did. Literally.
Oh, this is pretty high.
Now I see why she said that that one's not so high. Now I see why she said damn.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are
You
on
rode
the
this one
Disney
too?
Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Yeah, but
We're flying to
feel like
Disney's
this
Riviera
is giving
Resort
me
with
anxiety.
continuing flights to Epcot.
I don't like it. I want to get off.
It's okay.
Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Aren't they staying right here? What is this, Johnny?
It does look very pretty. Look at those lily pads.
Oh, they called our group already.
I think she's
Already?
staying. They're staying here.
Okay.
We have an hour.
Okay.
So we're good.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, home to
Oh,
a collection of tropical villages inspired by the colorful architecture and lifestyle of the Caribbean islands.
You see that big building right there, the blue one?
Yeah.
That's all that's guarded. Right? Yeah, I'm orienting myself. Yeah, that's all that's guarded.
And see, where
That's Guardians.
Yeah, that big
That's like
thing.
contemporary. Way over there, that's Magic Kingdom.
In just a minute, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney
Yeah.
vacation club
Yeah.
that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas
That's where they
of
went.
Europe's
That's where
Mediterranean
they're going
coast.
tonight.
Johnny, where
For their
is
dinner.
Animal Kingdom is that way, right?
Good luck orienting yourself.
He said not to get off on this, not to get off on
Yeah,
this.
we're going to have fun.
Ciao, bonjour, and bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
Because when you're up really high like that, you can see the top of the tree at Animal Kingdom.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
She was laughing at me.
Hasta que las
She said,
puertas
"Oh, we're
se
gonna
abran
crash."
automáticamente.
Oh, it's
Al
full.
salir de la
Oh,
cabina, por favor, cuide sus pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos.
I'm the one that
Por
should have
volar
taken
con
photos
nosotros.
of this. I didn't know it was like that.
Turn.
So what time are we on that?
Whenever they call us back. 1 through 23. So we can walk up right now.
Oh.
Which I think.
Which is probably what they'll do. Oh, I'm tired.
And if you do decide one to ride again, I put it on my radar passes as well.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to go back and do ride it again, we also can ride it again. What?
What happened?
It's moving. What do you mean it's moving? Yeah, you don't move
No, it stopped, Johnny. You don't feel the air is gone?
it. It's still moving. You can see it moving.
Is it supposed to move that slow?
It's got a board.
If they have to load like a
Don't be
wheelchair
trying
or.
to scare me now.
What do you mean? That's it.
This is a big space, but still, like. Oh, I get it. So we can keep moving people.
Yeah, man, just like people.
Oh, there
if
goes
someone,
the door here.
if someone needs to slow down a bit. That new the Sean right above it works the same. You gotta like do it the first. You know what's crazy? With Dad, you have to do it at 7 a.m. And I was awake. That's why I put it for 6:55, so I can just do it to see. I refreshed it at 7 a.m. Joined queue, and I was 45. The moment you do that, it's gone. There's no more queues. It goes away at 7 a.m. It goes away. There's so many people doing it.
That was crazy.
One of the best rides.
It's the worst ride at Disney. It's the worst.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on
And now
earth.
it's worse.
No, I will never.
Then when it first opened, this is the road we come in on.
Yeah.
It goes over the road. That's the fire department. It's so lovely going.
Yeah, that tire. Did you hear me? I don't know if you heard me earlier. That tire building right there, that big blue one. Monica, look. Right there.
Which one?
The big blue one right there, to
Yeah.
the right of that football, that's all the red.
Oh, what road? Oh,
The one on
oh.
the right.
Oh,
Yeah.
God. So,
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969 when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
this is awesome. I don't think Jasmine ever told me they built this.
They were when we all went the last time. They were still building. That's how long ago it was.
When you went, when?
No, when we went to Animal Kingdom that one day, forever ago. It was the last time that you went. That they were still
Forever
building.
ago.
Like years ago.
Yeah.
It wasn't that long. I think it was 2019. I have pictures
They
from
still
that day.
come out here anymore. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Pack your passports.
Oh my gosh.
We are
That's
on
how
our
it
way
is.
to
Look,
Epcot
so we were
International
just right
Gateway.
there in the parking lot.
When we
Twice.
arrive, remember
That's
to
where we
use your
parked.
My Disney Experience mobile app to review
And
your
we came
worldly
full circle.
itinerary for the day.
That's great. Is there a turn?
It's a gas station.
We did 3 parks that day.
It's been here forever. I broke my thing for my camera here. Case.
We went 2 days in a row.
Where?
Oh, my goodness, God. They're looking at the.
No, we didn't. Look, we
Or
parked. That is so crazy.
we did because we went. I had pictures from Animal Kingdom and then I had. Oh no, we did Animal Kingdom and then Hollywood,
Yeah.
or not Magic Kingdom.
I only like to go to Animal
That
Kingdom.
was May 13th or May 12th.
Ladies and
May 12th,
gentlemen,
2018.
in just a few moments, we will be
That was
taking a
before
scenic
COVID.
spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated.
So it's
This
been 4
station
years.
is designed for turning only.
Look at you.
What kind of
What were
It's
you
been
Because it was Black Panther.
Oh,
Okay. We see, that's been 4 years since we've been.
Yeah,
I've
and
been
then
out
that was
here.
when he did the dwarf train. This one. That ride wasn't worth the wait, but it was really cool because we
coming into view is Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. From elegant dining and magical lounges to lively entertainment just off the shores of Crescent Lake, this charming seaside resort relives the golden era of Atlantic beach towns and turn-of-the-century amusement parks.
In the back.
Look at you.
This is where we park when we come to the boardwalk.
Yep.
I'm so done. I thought it was air conditioning.
Is it? Oh.
Me too.
It's the wind.
I thought it was air conditioning too.
It's a window.
Maybe a
Wow,
hater.
it's nice.
Aw, oh, that's so cute.
If you are planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to Epcot
yeah.
a
They
truly
actually let you see
international
behind-
exchange.
Disney was always never allowed you to do that. They didn't want you to see behind the scenes and what. Look, like you come right
This is
up on it.
the, right here.
I remember
we can
you
try
coming
it.
up here.
This is the, yeah, that's the
Yeah.
right, the Ratatouille, right?
It's behind the oh, it's new, huh?
Yeah, this right here is all new right here. For you,
Look
at
at
least.
the line already. Holy crap! For the Ratatouille. I've never been on that. But
We
that's
are
it.
now arriving at Epcot.
Yes.
To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and
We're
friendship,
entering- we're
welcome.
inside.
Guardians is Helen Ron, isn't it?
We're on the World Showcase, you know. the-
Right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right here.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
And it.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que la puerta se abra automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina,